all. This is Samundishwari from the Department of English. So, in this previous video lecture series, we have seen the topic presentation skills. So, we just go for a small recap about the topic. So, what is the purpose of giving a presentation, and what are all the things we should do before planning for delivering a presentation? So, hope you remember the 4 P's such as plan, prepare, practice, and perform. So in this video series we are going to see about the to improve our presentation skills. Here I come with a few tips, such as what are all the things we must do when we are preparing a slide, or else when we are preparing a content part, or else when we are practicing the rehearsal part, whatever it may be. So we have to stick with these following points. The first one is know your audience. So in my previous part itself I have mentioned that every presenter must know the age group of his audience, and also he should think about what is their knowledge about this particular topic. So then only you can plan what are all the input you can add it to that content extra. And second one is all about make an outline of what you will present with 3 or 4 main points. So it's not like you are going to look at the slide content and reading it from the slide. If you are doing it in the sense, people will get bored and they will not sit for a long time. So to overcome this, we must organize our slides, and we must plan what are all the content will occupy the slides number 1 2 3 in this way and all. So if you are practicing yourself, and if you have a rigorous part like this, in the sense, this thing will surely help you to perform better. And third one is about familiarize yourself with the location and equipment before presenting, because we have stated that medium of communication, that is the channel, also creates a kind of a problem, that is barrier when we are presenting. So as a presenter, you just go and stand in front of the podium, you can check the mic, and also you can make yourself comfortable in that location, that is especially the room where you are going to deliver your presentation and all. And next one is about use simple sentence. When you are addressing to huge number of audience, or else your audience is very limited also, use a simple language. In this way you can convey your message very easily, and use examples to illustrate your ideas. So instead of putting everything in a theoretical base in your slides, instead of putting everything as a content based one, you can make your slide with the effect of pictorial gram or else graphical representation. So if you are doing it in the sense, a picture can create a kind of impression among any type of readers. And before delivering a presentation, may feel yourself comfort, take a deep breath and be relaxed, and use your body language which is appropriate to the content what you are delivering. And talk to audience, don't talk about them, in the sense instead of talking about the content again and again, you can get involved with your audience. Then only they can feel free themselves, and they can try to clarify, or else they can ask any kind of doubts with the presenter. And use humor whenever it is necessary. So it's not like a monotonous delivery of speaking about the content out of the slide. So in between you can grab the attention of your audience, you can check the pulse, you can ask them a question, you can interact, or else you can induce them to get into this topic. If you are doing like this, you can maintain your audience attention throughout the presentation. So that is one of the major factor for the successful presentation. So next we are moving on to the part of don'ts of the presentation. So what are all the things must be avoided when you are presenting it? So use too much jargon or specialized words or expressions. If my presentation is about technical in the sense, so I am not sure about the age group of, or else my audience, whether they are familiar with the topic or else not and all. So during that time, I can explain the technical terms in an easy way to make them to understand, or else I failed to deliver a good presentation. At any cost, don't turn your back to the audience. So in the sense, you can stand yourself either in a left or right side of the corner. So this thing may make your audience to look at the PPT projector very easily, and have no eye contact during your presentation, or fix your eye contact with any one person during the presentation. In the sense, so whenever you are delivering a presentation, like don't look at any of your close friends or else the known circle. First of all, as a presenter, you should have eye contact with the people, those who are occupying in the room. So that thing you must keep it in your mind. And next one is all about distract your audience by doing something like any metal objects in your packet. So don't carry any kind of a things which makes you feel comfort, but that thing will cause a disturbance to your audience. And don't fold your arms either on your front or your back. You are not supposed to keep your arms crossed, or else you should not keep your arms inside your packet. It shows that kind of a negative impact about you. It shows that you are not confident about the topic what you are delivering. And next, all about dress yourself or wear too many ornaments. So avoid using too many ornaments, and don't go with the too bright color of dresses. So and you don't imitate the style of someone else. So whenever you are presenting any topic, whether it is a technical or else you are supposed to deliver a general topic, you are not supposed to imitate anybody else. So as a presenter, we are prepared our own content. We know what are all the things must be included and what else you have removed from that prepared PPT, right? So give importance to the content, and always think about your audience. So keep focus on your audience attention, then only your presentation become the effective one. So whenever you are preparing a slide, always keep this point of 4 P's, such as plan, prepare, practice, and perform. So these 4 P's will help you to deliver a effective presentation undoubtedly. Thank you.